Hello viewers, this is Umared Mohapatra. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain one practice paper, use of adjectives few and little. Few, a few and the few, three forms of few, and little has also three forms, little, a little and the little. In my last video already I have explained where to use and how to use both the adjectives few and little. In this video I am going to explain one practice paper using few, a few, the few, little, a little and the little. Watch till the end of the video to get the concept better. If you find my videos informative and helpful and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. We know few and little, both are adjectives. Few has three forms, few, a few, the few. Little has three forms, little, a little and the little. Few is used with countable nouns, but little is used with uncountable nouns. Few means hardly any, but a few means not many. It has positive sense. The few means not many, but all there are. Okay? But little means hardly any. It is used in the sense of negativity. Both few and little are used in the sense of negativity, but few is used with countable nouns, little is used with uncountable nouns. All little means not much. It has positive sense. Okay? But the little means not much, but all that is. Watch the video, watch the explanation so that you can get it better. We have known little, a little and the little are used with uncountable nouns. Now there are some questions to fill up using little, a little and the little. Already I have explained in my last video where to use little, where to use a little and where to use the little. She is a good leader, but she had dash influence in the past. Again I am explaining and filling up the gaps. She is a good leader. Okay, but she had dash influence in the past. Good leader, it shows positivity. But here but conjunction is used here. But shows negativity. Okay, she is a good leader, but she had a dash influence. That means it shows negativity. Where it shows negativity, there we use little. Little influence in the past. If you watch my last video, you can understand where to use little, where to use a little and where to use the little. There is dust in your cup. Will you have more? Someone offering more. More means what is there? What do you understand from the question, from the sentence? There is some tea in your cup. Okay, as there is some tea in the cup, so someone offering more. Okay, so what will be used here? There is a little tea in your cup. I have dash money with me. I can't help you. I can't help you. It shows negativity. That means what? No money. I have no money with me. I can't help you. Where it shows negativity, there you use little. I have little money with me. I can't help you. Okay. There is dash hope of his recovery. He is serious, very serious. Very serious means what is? There is a little hope of recovery. So what will be used here? Little hope of his recovery. Dash knowledge is a dangerous thing. Dangerous thing. Okay. So little knowledge. Little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Where there is no knowledge, that is dangerous. So little knowledge means little. Little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Okay. Where we use little, a little and the little for uncountable nouns. You see here we use little before one uncountable noun. We use a little before one uncountable noun. T before one uncountable noun we use here little. And hope is also one uncountable noun. We use here little. Here also knowledge is one uncountable noun, we use little. Little, a little, the little, we use before uncountable noun. He slept dash time and felt better. Felt better shows positivity. So what will be used here? A little. A little time. Time is one uncountable noun. A little is used. Little is used before uncountable noun. A little also used before uncountable noun. But little is used for negativity. Where it shows negativity, we use little. And for the sense of positivity, we use a little. He slept a little time and felt better. Please add dash sugar in my coffee. That means the sentence shows the sense of positivity. So, please add a little sugar. That means some. A little means some. He is unable to answer the questions for his dash intelligence. Unable to answer the questions. Unable means it shows negativity. Understand? So, what will come here? Little intelligence. I have no milk left with me. I have already given to cat dash milk I had. I have no milk left with me. Okay. What it shows? It shows the definite amount. How much amount I have? Already I have given to cat. That means what will come? The little milk. The total milk I gave to cat. So, I have no milk left with me. I have already given to cat the milk, the little milk I had. She had donated dash property she had. She had donated dash property. She had, how much property she had? All. Okay, had been donated by her. So, what comes here? The definite amount. So, the little property. The total amount, the little property. Then few, a few and the few. She can't go to picnic. We know that few, a few and the few, okay, come with a plural countable noun. She can't go to picnic because dash months left for her exam. Months plural noun. Before plural noun we use the adjectives few, a few, the few. But what it shows as per the sense we have to use. She can't go to picnic. It shows the negativity. Can't go. That means what will come here? Few months, because few months left for her exam. Dash people can speak English correctly. We know no people can speak English correctly. So, what will come here? Few people can speak English correctly. Dash people are sincere in their duty. Few people are sincere in their duty. I have read all dash novels I had. That means how many novels I have, what number of novels I had, all I read. So, what is all means what? The total means what here? The few novels. I have invited all dash friends I have. How many friends I have? I invited to all the total number of. So, what is here? The few. Dash words spoken in earnest will convince him. Dash words spoken in earnest. It shows earnest means it shows positivity. Okay, so what is here? A few words. That means some words spoken in earnest will convince him. Dash members of the committee all took part in the demonstration. How many members in the committee? All took part. Okay, that is what? It shows the definite number. Specification. So, the few members of the committee all took part in the demonstration. Okay viewers, this page is for you. I would like to request you to fill up using the adjectives few, a few, the few, little, a little, the little, okay, and put the answers in the comment section so that it will boost a teacher to make more videos. I have prepared some questions here and I will explain all so that it will be very convenient to you to answer, to choose the correct answer. I saw only boys because there were those girls in the class. Only boys. I saw only boys. That means what? What it shows? Negativity. Understand? Girls is one countable plural noun and put the correct answer here because it shows the sense of negativity. Put dash salt in the curry. Curry needs salt. Okay, it shows positivity. So, put the correct answer here. He needs dash money from me. He is already a wealthy person. He is already a wealthy person. That means what it shows? Negativity or positivity? Answer the question. He wants to spend dash days that are left to him in solitude and meditation. That are left to him. What it shows here? That are left to him. He wants to spend dash days that are left to him in solitude and meditation. That are left to means the days there, the days left there are. Okay. So the total days. To put the correct answer here. I have got dash questions to ask. Questions to ask, it shows the sense of positivity. My father spent dash money he had with him. How much money he had? He spent all. My father spent all. So write the answer in the gap and put all the answers in the comment section. Okay, thank you. That's it for this one. If you like my videos, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. If you love my videos and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one.